Hello everybody, welcome to the cooking channel. We are going to make Kim's favorite sandwich, which is a Monte Cristo. We're going to do it our way, not necessarily the proper way. The proper way takes a deep fryer. We don't have one, don't want one. We had them. We like them, but we don't use them that often, so then we're just wasting oil all the time. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Our ingredients are Texas toast, eggs, turkey, and ham. We buy the cedar cherry ham. God, it's good. And Swiss cheese and a little bit of powdered sugar on top. Alright, we're going to go ahead and throw a little bit of butter in our pans over there. Or one pan over there. Just a little bit, don't need much. Go ahead and turn that on. Don't know if we need that anymore. Let that butter melt. We need to beat up a couple of eggs. Start with that. I'm going to use 3, maybe 4 eggs. Probably 4. We'll see how we're doing. We'll go ahead and get these ones beat. If I need to beat another one, then I will. Look at how rich them eggs look. I like to say they were from our chickens, but they're not. Basically, all you're making is a plain French toast, no cinnamon, no nothing. Set that right there. Let's take this over here, and we're going to get our butter, spread it around. Alright, we are ready to begin. Just lightly dip it. You don't have to sit and soak it, just a dip. 1. Grab all of our bread. 2. Monte Cristo. I made these for Kim, I don't know, 20, 30 years ago, 40 years ago. 3. And these were my favorite as a kid. When we would go to a casino, my dad would come to town, we'd go to a casino and I would have Monte Cristos for lunch. Okay, there's that. We only needed 3 eggs. In our other pan, we're going to take and heat our meat. But not yet, not until we flip this, because it'll cook too fast and too hot. After we flip it, we're going to put our Swiss cheese on it, throw our ham in the pan, it'll move very fast. We just got to let that cook for a minute. This is a video in the middle of a working day. We're actually outside doing some concrete and getting ready for our big pour, but we got hungry, so we decided to go ahead, take a break, come in and have some lunch. Alrighty, let's see how this is looking. Turn that down. This burner is very hot. Looking good. Go ahead and flip them. Perfect. Perfect. Now, Swiss cheese. Slice the Swiss cheese on each one of these pieces of bread. Turn this on, start getting this heated. Wow, how did I manage that? I pulled out the exact amount of cheese that I needed. This must be my lucky day.
I think it is.
Is it?
I think you won my heart with this Monte Cristo.
Turn that French toast down a little bit. Yeah, the way my woman's heart is to her stomach.
I appreciate
You just want
food,
whatever
all.
you like for meat as far as the amount. I'm heating up some ham or some turkey right now. It gets ham, turkey, Swiss cheese, Texas toast. You can get this hot enough while that's cooking. It's melting the cheese down. That's looking beautiful. You don't need to sit and scorch it or get it burning hot. You just want it hot. We're having a hot sandwich on a hot day. How about that?
Yeah, this is the best sandwich there is. Especially the way you make it.
Okay, just layer your meats in there. Wow, that's hot.
You okay?
Yeah. Throw some ham in there. Told you this will move very, very fast now. If not, you're going to burn your French toast, you'll burn your ham. Big slices of ham, so I tear them in half. And all we're trying to do is heat it. We're not trying to cook. It's already done. It's ham. You don't want it burnt. You just want it heated. Whew, it's getting warm. Just reach in there and grab it. Be a man. Just kidding. 1, 2,
Yow.
3, 4. This one's done. 5. Whew, that's hot. Try and range that a little better. Okay. See what we look like. Look at that.
Oh, perfect.
Look at that. Get that off. Grab a couple of plates. Move over here. It's a very fast moving sandwich. Make this sandwich, you can make a supper in like 7-8 minutes. One, 2. Cut it on a diagonal if you wish. Cut it straight across. It's up to you. It doesn't matter. It's a cut. 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 Come with a knife. Open her up. Open her up. A little bit of powdered sugar. Right in the middle to dip it in. It comes with raspberry,
syrup for me.
Yeah, now what was I saying?
Raspberry.
Comes with raspberry jelly on the side usually. And that's a Monte Cristo. Y'all have a good day. Thank you.